Welcome to the nose. Please state the purpose of your visit. Oh, I'm just passing through. Okay, if you just stand over there, there's a sneeze coming in 3, 2... Next. Hi, we're here for the party. What party? The one that's starting now? Oh, there's nothing in the diary about a party today. I'm sorry, I can't let you through. Whoa! Yeah! Guys, do you know what? I'm in the mood for a party. Come on through, guys.
3 hours later.
What on earth is going on here? Oh, come on through. We're just having a party. But I'm not usually allowed past this point. So, come join us. What's the worst that can happen?